Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cool intro for YouTube in VN Video Editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, and then I'm going to select new project. And since we want to add a video, we can choose video based. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys how we can create cool intro for YouTube. I'm going to go to these tags in the VN video editor, and then I'm going to select this fire video, and I'm going to click on next to add this video to my project, and then I'm going to add tags to this project. So I can click on the text option and select text, and you can choose mask. Okay, and you can input your title for your YouTube video. I'm going to change it, guys. Wait, I'm going to change the font. Oops. You can go to the font if you want to change the font. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. And I'm going to make it bigger like this. And you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, oops. Alright, and then I'm going to cut the fire video. Okay, I'm going to cut it right here. We can click on the split menu. Okay, and I'm going to delete it. Okay, and then guys, I'm going to animate my text. I'm going to go to the motion, and then we can choose the animation that we like. I'm going to try fade, scale, and spin, or slide, or reveal, or gradient. But I think I'm gonna go with this one, fade. Okay, then just click on the check mark. And then to make your intro more captivating, you can add like a sound effect for your intro. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cool intro for YouTube using VN Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.